Gradually, neuroscientists are building up a detailed map of this parallel processing. The raw jumble of information from the eyes travels to the primary visual cortex and on to a series of increasingly specialized areas for processing. So far, over 30 different areas have been discovered, working on motion, color, depth, shape, and even which way an edge is pointing. We can't say yet exactly what they all do, but recently, an underlying logic to this assortment of areas has been uncovered.
Okay, so if you close your eyes.
These two bars are exactly the same size. It seems as though my visual system has been totally fooled by this illusion. But this experiment proves that's not the case.
Okay, if you open your eyes again, can you tell me which looks longer, if either of them do?
Yes, this one looks longer.
Fine, okay. And when I say...
The precise movements of my fingers are tracked by a special set of cameras as I reach for the bars.
Perfect.
If my entire visual system has been fooled, then my grasp should be wider for the bar that looks bigger.
And open them. And tell me again, are they the same or different?
No, this looks bigger.
Okay. So when I say go, pick up the one on the right. 2, 1, go. Great.
The movements of my fingers reveal a fascinating aspect of the workings of my brain. The bars look different lengths, but my fingers shape to pick them up in exactly the same way for each. Part of my visual system, which is guiding my hand, has not been tricked by the illusion and is acting independently of what I am consciously seeing. This kind of ingenious research shows that all the specialized visual areas are organized into two different pathways with very different roles. One pathway, which was guiding my hand, helps us interact with the world. We're unaware of it, but every movement we make is fed by information from this pathway. The more laborious task of recognizing what things are is handled by a different pathway. Maybe that's so we don't have to wait until we know what something is before we move to deal with it. It seems my hand can ignore what I think my eyes are actually seeing, because these two tasks are treated so separately in the brain. We don't yet fully understand why this segregation occurs, but of the two, it is the recognition system that seems to take up more brain power. Recognition is a vital part of our visual system. It turns seeing into understanding.